Heals and revitalizes dry skin. Absorbs fast into extra dry skin, including dried out, flaky hands or typical rough spots, like heels, elbows and knees. Extra dry skin lotion. Jergens Ultra Healing Moisturizer helps to improve skin's appearance and texture while providing relief for dry and rough skin. Helps to repair dry skin. Penetrates 5 layers of skin and reduces dryness at the source to nourish and heal dry skin. Visibly healthier skin. With continual use of Jergens Ultra Healing Dry Skin Moisturizer, skin is nourished and looks visibly healthier over time. Formulated with quality ingredients. A unique formulation, with a Hydralucence blend of ingredients combined with vitamin C, E, and B, to leave skin luminous. Sustainability claims. Not tested on animals. Leave one lotion in each room to make sure the whole household is covered or take one with you on the go. Repair dryness at the source with Jergens Ultra Healing Moisturizer for extra dry skin. The nourishing formula penetrates through 5 layers of skin to heal extra dry skin, improve tone and texture, and leave it smooth and visibly healthier. The formula absorbs to soften areas that tend to need the most moisture like heels, elbows, and knees. This body moisturizer, with a unique Hydralucence blend of ingredients plus vitamin C, E, and B5, leaves your skin luminous and moisturized for up to 48 hours. Jergens travel-sized hand lotion makes for the perfect on-the-go cracked hands relief. Jergens hand and body lotion for women and men is carefully formulated for optimal dry skin relief. This Cow USA body cream for women and men soothes skin for long-lasting hydration. Satisfaction guaranteed. Limitations may apply. Top reviews from the United States. Great gift. Got these for my friends at work as a Christmas treat. They absolutely loved the lotion and many of them bought a bottle after theirs had been depleted.